This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Annanicolau. Location. 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 Beautiful 2 bedrooms with newly renovated 2 bathrooms in the heart of Sunrise. Spacious rooms and high ceilings, laundry inside the unit. Screened-in balcony and a perfect lake view. Pets are welcomed but with restrictions. Plenty of guest parking spaces. Close to highways, Sawgrass Mall, fire station, police station and walking distance to nearby plaza. Franklyn Academy is with walking distance and lots of schools are in vicinity. Come make this your home today. For more information, review the details below.